Hello, Jeremiah. We are on science, and this is our chapter 4 test. Now, you don't have this. It's actually separate. It's not in your workbook pages. So I'm going to send it home with when Mom comes to pick up packet or turn in her packet this week. I'll have this, and then I have a people paper for you. Brianna, that's pretty distracting. Could you face forward and stop doing that with your hands? Thank you. So I have the people paper that Mom asked me about yesterday and the chapter 4 science test that I'll give you. So when you do get the chapter 4 science test, just find the video. It's called chapter 4 science test, and then take the test from there. Okay? So the rest of us are going to do it. And let me share my screen. And here's what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I need to make sure there's nothing on Austin. Good. Austin, that looks good. Great. Put your name and your date up there. Preston, I need you to turn all the way around because this is a test. Now, Jeremiah and my class, we will not finish this before bathroom time, and that's okay. That's okay. We'll pick it up where we left off. So, here we go. Up in the top, right up here, you have a word box. Okay, I'm going, please don't, Preston, turn around, feet under your chair, under your desk, completely, thank you. The first word is community. Everybody say that with me, community. The next word is environment. Please say that with me, environment. The next one is population. Please say that. Great, but your answers are only going to be A, B, or C. Okay, I'll read it for you and you just fill in the right letter. Here we go. The directions say complete the matching section. Number 1, all the non-living things that surround a living thing. If you think that is a community, put an A here. If you think that is environment, put a B here. And if you think that is population, put a C here. I'll read it again. All the non-living things that surround a living thing. And your choices are community, environment, and population. When you're finished with number 1, raise your hand. You finished with number 1, Rylan? No. Just write the letter, A, B, or C. Good. All right. Number 2, remember your choices are community, environment, or population. Number 2 says, all the different things in an ecosystem. If you think all the different things in an ecosystem describes community, write an A here. If you think that describes environment, write a B here. If you think that describes population, write a C here. Do it now. Preston, I need you to face forward. You keep turning sideways. And raise your hand when you are finished with that one. Or rather, Ryler, you let me know when you're done with number 2. Good. Number 3, all the plants or animals of the same kind that live in an ecosystem. You think that describes community, put a C here. If you think that describes environment, put a B here. And if you think that describes population, put a C here. All the plants or animals of the same kind that live in an ecosystem. Community, environment, or population. I am finished with 1, 2, and 3. Yes or no? Yes. Raise your hand for no. Good. Keep working. Yes, we are on B. Thank you, darling. All right. Nope, we're moving to number 4. Okay. Number 4, directions. Read them with me. Write T if the sentence is true. Write F if the sentence is false. Okay? So your choices are T or F. And here we go. Number 4, when one part of a food web changes, the whole food web is affected. True or false? You do it. Don't tell me. You do it. True or false? When one part of the food web changes, the whole food web is affected. True or false? I am finished with number 4. Yes or no? Okay. Number 5. An ecosystem is made up of all the living things and their environment in a certain area. True or false? T or F? An ecosystem is made up of all the living things and their environment in a certain area. True or false? I am finished with number 5. Yes or no? Yeah. I only heard Jeff. Everybody finished? Okay. Only one word, please. Number 6. Ecosystems stay the same. True or false? T or F?
Say that again, Joy.
Ecosystems stay the same. True or false? I am finished with number 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Rylan, just say yes when you are finished. Okay. Number 7, the number of living things in an ecosystem can support depends on the resources available. Let me read that again. The number of living things an ecosystem can support depends on the resources available. True or false?
Say that again.
The number of living things an ecosystem can support depends on the resources. True or false? Sorry, Jeremiah, I'm getting sleepy. Brianna, turn around and face the front. You're starting to be distracting now. You're being distracting. I need you to stop. Turn that way. All right. Here's what you've got. Carnivores. Say that. Carnivores. Next one is consumers. Say that. Consumers. Consumers. Next one is decomposers. Say that. Decomposers. And the last one is producers. Say that. Producers. Okay. Number 8 says, let's give these some numbers. Rylan, this might make this easier. 2, 3, and 4. So Rylan, you can just put the numbers in here and then write the words later. Okay? All right. Number 8, plants use energy from the sun to make food. Plants are carnivores, consumers, decomposers, or producers. Put the number answer right in there. I am finished with number 9.
Yes. You mean number 8?
Number 8, yes, ma'am, sorry. Number 9, animals and humans must eat other things to get energy. They are carnivores, consumers, decomposers, or producers. Put your answer right in here. Put your number answer right in there. I am finished with number 9, yes or no?
Yes.
Number 10, living things that break down dead things and wastes and add nutrients to the soil are called carnivores, consumers, decomposers, or producers. One, two, three, or 4. And number 11. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm done with number 10, yes or no?
No.
Okay. I am done with number 10, yes or no?
Yes.
Last one. Animals that do not eat plants are called blank. Animals that do not eat plants are called blank. If you only eat meat, you're called a this. Carnivore, consumers, decomposers, or producers. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay. I'm going to hang up with Jeremiah and give you a minute to finish these. We've only got a couple of minutes before bathroom, and we're going to do the back page tomorrow. Okay? So Jeremiah, we'll see you for, I think we're Bible class next.
Girl Scout.